Okay, so hindi ako nakapag-record kahapon 'no, sobrang hectic. Marami rin nangyari actually na eye-opening and stuff, which just helps me to be more serious in life overall. And, sabi ko lang focus ako and I don't wanna think about it 'no, subconscious lang siya and, 'yun, natapos ko na yung listing video finally. Pero may second listing video pa, mas mabilis naman 'yun for sure. Tapos currently pinaplano ko na yung August ko 'no. Medyo nalilito nga ako kung paano ko siya i-schedule, eh, yung dates kung paano ko siya papangalanan. Kasi, um, currently, uh, I would say na I would say na magulo yung araw ko 'no, when it comes to scheduling and stuff. Kasi again, ang concept nito is umaandar yung utak ko on the background. One day ahead ako, eh, which is nakakalito 'no. Aray, since hindi ako accurate, aray ko, stuck yung kamay ko na naman. Since hindi ako accurate, aray, ayan. Since hindi ako accurate sa araw ko, nalilito ako 'no. Minsan pa nag-a-upload ako dine-date ko siya sa today, minsan dine-date ko siya sa timeline ko. Kasi 'di ba sabi ko my timeline is one day ahead ako, ta's 2 hours advance dito sa Kuwait. So in short, August 3 pa lang pero August 4 na sa aking mental calendar 'no. Nalilito ako actually pero I think, I have no idea kung anong lalagay ko. I literally have no idea. But anyway, so ganito 'no, let's just start fresh 'no. Um, Probably I'll just write this down 'no, ita-track natin yung August natin. Yun na lang muna ang gusto kong mangyari 'no. Um, okay, so I think let's just, treat this as a more, active 'no, let's treat this as a more active development 'no. And, probably magsusulat ako ng mga, I would say, notes dito, picturean ko para sa thumbnail. So, technically, ano bang goal natin 'no? I think the goal is going to be, finishing all of the pending tasks 'no. Kasi at the end of the day, I need to get more clients. And I need to get another client by September, probably. So, I think for half a week, the goal is like this, no? I pray talaga na magtuloy-tuloy naman at maging maayos ang ating mga gawain. So, kasi week 6 na dito sa aking calendar, share ko lang din. So, as you can see here, okay, so as you can see here, ito yung inaayos ko kasi, no? So, currently, week 6 tayo, di ba? Ito. Okay, so week 6. And, kailangan natin, siguro hanggang week 7. So, focus tayo talaga, ano? Focus tayo hanggang week 7 na mga pending. So, pending tasks. Okay, so focus tayo, pending tasks. Tapos, dito by week 8, hopefully, building systems. Kailangan kong i-push yung sarili ko, no? Para by September, week 10, ang gagawin na natin is find clients. Okay? So, yun ang timeline natin. Okay? Hopefully, maging okay naman. So, ang gagawin natin so far is, yeah, hyper-focus lang muna talaga sa uh, pending tasks, no, for building the business. I will still record myself sa mga gagawin ko, sa mga gawain so far. And I'm going to document my video editing journey. No? Yun yung next update ko actually so far. So, okay. So, August. So, August will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this will be 4 weeks. No? And, yeah. August, it will be 4 weeks. And I will just track the days. So, technically, today is the first day, no, of the week or the month, technically. So, yun lang naman. Yeah, let's do this.